Okay guys, so to add the sponsor ad on your website, just go to your dashboard, log into your dashboard, come to this forces. If you have applied for AdSense and you want to use AdSense, you can follow this method. Just go to forces. Under forces, click on team option. It will take you to this place. So if it take you to this place, just come straight to where you can use laptop so that it will be very easy for you, to where you have ads and slide up. So when you this AdSense auto ad, this top site, this footer slide up, this inline single content, so all of these has their own function. So if your AdSense has approved your ad, you can put your script, your code here, your AdSense code here, and you click on so that it will allow other ad placements to display on your website. Display on WooCommerce page, so you don't even have WooCommerce page, so you turn it off. So for this top site, so it will make sure that if you want ads to appear on the top of your website, so you can use this type of advert. So you can put a script here, or you can use ad image. So you upload the image you want to the image that you want people to see at the top of your site. You put the image here, you upload the dark mode of the image, then you put the link of the destination. So this link is where you want people to go if they click on the image. So that's that. But if you want to add the sponsor ad on your home page on your website, just come to this place and right click and click on open in new tab. So you need to open your site in new tab and you click on edit with Elementor. So you need to click on edit with Elementor because we want to do some editing here. So when you click on that, so you can just this is the desktop mode, table portrait, and this mobile portrait. So click on this mobile portrait and scroll down. Then you see where you have sponsor ad. Just click on it. So you add the image you want to use for sponsor ad. So let's say you want to advertise something, so the person will send the image to you or the flyer. So just make sure that the flyer is within that size. So it's within that size. I think that size is, let's say we want to upload this. So then I'll click on select. So that's the image. Then you can upload for dark mode, so that when they change the settings to dark mode, the image will still appear. Then you now click on this destination, that is the link. Maybe you want to take them to a website, maybe you are promoting a website, you want to take them to a WhatsApp channel, you can just put the link here. So that's it. Let's say I want to promote this website. So let me just pick this. So I'll put it here. Then I'll save it. Put the link here and save it. So once I'm done, I'll just click on publish. So you can also check for other areas. So this place too, there's a code here. So you can add your AdSense code here also. So that the ads will show here. Then what else? So this place is for codes too. Then there should be something here. So I think we only will have one place for sponsor ad. Or I think this place is for sponsor ads too. Or this place. So here, so place your ad. So this is the image that is appearing here. So if you want to put your sponsor ad here, so you can remove this one and place your ad here and put the destination. So if you want to add to show in another place, so those ones I have added it before. So let's assume